Okay, as promised, this is the early wood plate Wehrle 5-horn trumpeter clock movement that's been completely rebuilt. That belongs to a beautiful vine-covered Wehrle clock that's under restoration. Had to rechange the chain that was originally on here because they had the wrong amount of links, and you can see there's a new replacement. There's also several levers and other items that were missing or damaged. So it has a brand new bellows that's been covered by a friend of mine over in the UK. It's all new labels on it, all reconstructed labels. So let's try to touch this thing off and let's get it going for you. Play one more time. And that's it. As you can see, I have it all rigged up on the box and the stand. So I'm just a little cautious and not to run it around too much as to damage all the work that has been done. This is a very early wood plate movement. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.